How to register for MSCA account. So there will be a section where you'll be able to do this specifically, and a section where you'll be able to see a step-by-step method and instructions on how to do so. But in this video, we're just gonna go ahead and lead you to this specific section. So go ahead to any preferred browser you have, like Chrome or Google, and in our case, we can just go ahead and put in MSCA in our search bar. Once you toggle or search for that, this will pop out, which is canada.ca My Service Canada account. And then you're just going to go ahead and open that. Once you do that, you will be directly led to the MSCA section of the website. You're just going to go ahead and scroll down to the create an account section. Now you can sign in to the account later on, but in our case, we're just going for the registration. So press on register for an account over here. So you'll be able to see requirements on how to do so. So creating an account takes just a few steps, and it is a one-time action. So the next time you visit, all you have to do is sign in, which we just showed beforehand. So you must be at least 12 years old and access and use of MSCA only as yourself. No one is authorized to use or create an account on your behalf. So it has to be really you. So getting started. So you can just go ahead and select which sign-in method you prefer or you will be using to access your account. So you have the Interact sign-in partner. So you can use your online banking sign-in information. You can use your GC key or use your username and password issued by the government of Canada or sign up for a GC key and a provincial sign-in. So you can use your alberta.ca account or BC service card. So you can just go ahead and choose whichever suits you the best, whichever is easier for you, and whichever you prefer the most. And once you go ahead and choose either of this, you'll be able to get the next steps on how to continue to register for a MSCA account. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.